Hi, it's been a while. Allow me to explain. I'm looking over here. I need to look here. Okay. Hello and welcome back to another video. I know this should be a tutorial, but we're gonna get into that. I just feel like I should make a new update video because my last video was an update video, and then I was gone longer than I anticipated because a slew of things. Some of it was laziness, some of it was just life mass chaos. So we're gonna get into that. So my last video, I was living in a town about like 4.5, 5 hours away from where I'm at right now. Just being around friends, trying to figure out my life, working at places that were not necessarily things I was looking for. It was okay, not the best, but got to live with some great people. Thank you if you're watching this. And I watched their dog when they wasn't there, which you saw. And it just became kind of difficult to try to record videos while trying to keep an eye on him, because either he would be making noises, which isn't the best for audio of videos, or he'd be doing who knows what and I'd be worried, as I probably should be. Fast forward through that whole semester of time of which I wasn't a student, then it came down to what am I doing for the summer, because I had a couple opportunities handed to me. Ultimately it came down to, clearly I'm going to a camp. I don't know which of the two camps that I had opportunities from to go to. I chose one and I went there for the past 3 months. And because it's camp and because of the nature of camp and how everything works, since I was the photographer for said camp, you know what? Throw some pictures on screen because why not? But because of the nature of the busyness of camp, it was impossible for me to make any new tutorials. And on top of that, I was getting emails from some different companies and I thought I could maybe try to get that video done beforehand, but then that didn't happen. So basically, I've just been in the middle of figuring out what I'm doing, and I'm still figuring it out. Currently, I'm back home working on projects with some other companies, so expect videos about those maybe this month. So I have 4 videos in the works. One is a video that I had recorded before all this mass chaos happened. Then I went to camp, and then you can't edit something that you filmed 3 months ago. Like, that's not how online sources work, because by then chances are everything is outdated. So that video went to trash. And then I was getting emails from 3 different companies, and so I'll be working on those. And those should be fun, exciting videos. So, one more thing. I also spent a little bit of time doing a little bit of rebranding, so if I forget to change the logo and the intro and outro, whatever, that's why. So if you like the new channel banner, leave some comments down below and tell me what you think. I hope you like it, because I do. And yeah, I think that's it. I know this is a really crappy update video, but I felt like it was needed. So expect some better videos that aren't of me rambling, talking, trying to make something out of nothing in the future. I think that about covers everything, so I will see you guys in a new tutorial, hopefully sometime soon. Okay, cool. Bye.